Hello everyone, welcome to Trade. Hope you all had a good trading session so far. I just took a short trade here for 34,900 PE and exited here, and I was ready for a long trade if we had probably a retest of this previous day high and then go long, but the retest never came, so kind of missed it. That's okay, it happens in trading, no problem. Today made about 14,000. I'll be explaining how I made the trades and the order book. This trade lasted for about 1 hour, went with 300 quantity and got about 33 or 30% ROI. I entered at 138 and exited at 187. I'll be showing you why I entered and exited. See, firstly, we had a good analysis yesterday, the post-market late night analysis that I keep putting on our Discord server, that we had a pretty good support at, this is based on the change in open interest from the Banknifty option chain. We had a pretty good put sellers come in at 34,000 PE, and there was a good resistance at 35,500. That's what I had posted yesterday. So I was looking to short somewhere close to 35,000, close to the CPR, but the CPR touch never happened, right? So I was careful. I didn't short immediately. Was waiting for a kind of a break of structure or something like a trend line break, or the only thing that I could find is kind of the structure where we were making lower highs and this base. So the moment this broke at about 1041 or something, 1040 on this candle, I entered, and my stop loss was pretty clear. If I check the risk to reward, my target was previous day low and the S1. So let me get just to check the stop loss. My stop loss was very clear. It was high of this candle. The first target was previous day low, where I had about 1:3 ratio, which is good, and the second target was giving me 1:5, which is still better. But I exited here for I took a target of 117 points, and in the option premium it related to about 40 or 50 points, I think, and got about 1:4. Why stop loss? Because this is the candle where we started getting the breakdown. So any break above this candle, 27 points. So my stop loss in option premium at the money strike price would have been like 10 or 15 points. So and today's expiry day, right? So I had to exit at the nearest level, not wait for more levels. See how we got a reversal from here. But the reason for exit here, even though there's no any support resistance, any previous day low, there's no any previous support at this level, was purely based on the open interest. Today, let me just refresh this if it has changed. See, today we got huge number of put sellers that put OI got added at 34,900, and right now even 35,000 put has increased. Obviously, by the time I took trade, it's almost been an hour. See, huge put sellers are coming, so was kind of skeptical that it'll be difficult to break. So the moment we dip below 900, right, that's when you need to exit, because there will be a good reversal at that time because of the OI support. So exactly exited here about 1142 or so. That is what even correlates in our trade book. Entered at 1040 and exited about 1142. So we had this OI analysis apart from our daily analysis that based on change in open interest did mention that we could be between 35,000 and 35,700 was my target. But today, see, yesterday it was showing that the support is coming in at 34,700, but today in the live market, by the time I entered, the support was coming in at 900. So that's the reason I took this trade. See, now again we got this up move, kind of missed this as mentioned earlier, waited for a retest and missed it, was not able to capture it. See, one thing that I've learned, okay, in trading, that is you enter at a particular resistance or a support level, okay, or you enter at a retest and then you enter. If you miss this, right, what I've learned is do not enter anywhere in between, because your stop loss will not be very clear for you. What will happen is, at least for me, okay, my weak point, if I enter in between, right, now just consider this pink line to be the stop loss, okay. Now say I enter at this point, my stop loss can be here. If I enter on this candle, my stop loss can be here. Now say if I just do a random entry over here thinking we are going to be very bullish, I'll keep my stop loss here. Then when it comes here, I will want to move my stop loss here. Then I'll want to move my stop loss here. So it's not pretty clear. So this is the reversal point where if you enter, it is best. If not, I don't try and enter. See, now I'm looking for a opportunity to short again, but I was ready to short here after this candle on 3 minute time frame in Banknifty. But because of this, okay, because of a lot of, see, all this time the call sellers were more, suddenly it dipped and the put sellers are there 43. So until this OI changes, right, I would not want to short. So for that to change, probably Banknifty should break 35,000, probably somewhere at this level. If that breaks, probably I'll short. And going long for me would be if these 35,100 OI should reduce and 35,200 OI should reduce, being monthly expiry, a little bit on the careful side as well. The best long for me would be if even the CPR breaks, get a retest, and if I can catch it, that'll be good. See, I'm constantly monitoring this change in OI. So when I refresh, I would want to see the put at 35,000 reduce. If this starts reducing, then yeah, probably I might take a trade, and that will reduce when the price comes pretty close to 35,000 and starts breaking it. So that's my view. And like this kind of up moves might happen today. Like we might get this up move came, we might get a sudden down move, sudden up move because of the monthly expiry. A lot of positions will be closing. So let's see how it goes. And it's only about 1:30, probably by 2:30. See, yesterday the fall came at 3 o'clock. So today's monthly expiry from 2 o'clock, sorry, from 1:30 until 3, anytime a quick good move can come. I'll see if I can capture it. If not, I'm pretty happy with 14,000 bucks. Thank you guys for watching.